Hello students, this is a Maths Worksheet 33, Chapter number 5, Understanding Elementary Shapes. Dear students, you will also follow COVID appropriate behavior, so you wear a mask, follow physical distancing and maintain hand hygiene. Hello students, now here we solve some questions related to angles, right? Angles formed by the different directions and angles formed by a clock. So here we take some examples related to clock here, and here first we will discuss here angles. Here we start with acute angle, acute angles, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle and complete angle. Right? So what are the acute angles? Angles formed between 0 degree and 90 degree. These angles are known as acute angle, right? Now what is right angle? 90 degree angle is known as right angle. What are the obtuse angle? So angles formed between 90 degree and 180 degree. These all angles are known as obtuse angle. Now straight angle, 180 degree angle is known as straight angle. Now reflex angle, angles formed between 180 degree and 360 degree. These all angles are known as, which form between 180 and 360, reflex angle. Now complete angle, 360 degree angle is known as complete angle. Now what is right angle? So exact 90 degree angle is known as right angle, right? Now this is a protractor, okay, and here we measure angles by using this instrument, and the name of this instrument is protractor, right? So where is 90 degree? Yes, this one is 90 degree on the protractor. About how to draw 90 degree angle by using this protractor. So here we draw a line here, right, and after that put this protractor on the line. Now here is 90 degrees, so here we mark a point here, and after that join this point with this point here, right? So this one is 90 degree angle, right? And exact 90 degree angle is known as right angle, right? Now here we discuss about straight angle. So now here we will discuss about straight angle. So what is straight angle? Angle which is exactly 180 degree, known as straight angle. Now how we draw a straight angle here? So here we draw a straight line here, right, and here we put one point here. So this angle is known as 180 degree. We also check the degree of this angle. So here we put this protractor on the line, and here it is exactly 180 degree. Now same as with 90 degree here. So here put this protractor on the line like this. So here we get exactly 90 degree angle. So here we draw different angles by using this protractor. Now students, here we will discuss about angles formed by the different directions and different angles formed by a clock, right? Here we first take example here like direction, right? Here we take 4 directions here. Here east, west, north and south. Now north and east, in the middle of these two direction, here these two lines form, and these two direction form 90-degree angle here. Now east and south form 90-degree angle here, right? And south and west form 90-degree angle here, this angle, and west and north form 90-degree angle here. So east direction, like north and east, form 90-degree angle, east and south form 90-degree angle here, south and west form 90-degree angle here, and north and west form 90-degree angle here. And these all directions form straight angle also, right angle as well as straight angle. So now north and south form 180-degree angle here, east and west form 180-degree angle here, right? This angle. If a person stand here in north side, right, and it's move from north to east, from this to this point here, so the angle formed by the person is equal to 90-degree, right? If it's move more 90, one more 90 here, 90-degree angle east to south, so it means here the angle formed by the person from north to south is equal to 180-degree, right? So there are lots of other examples related to direction and a clock. Now here we take some examples related to clock here. So now first we draw a clock here, okay. Now here we write 12, 3, 6 and 9, right? Here we take only one hand of a clock, like this minute hand, okay. And what measure of an angle formed by this minute hand? 90-degree, right? 12 to 3, it's formed 90-degree angle here. Now here we take another example here. If this minute hand continuously move 12 to 6 from here to here, so what is the degree of an angle here? It's form 180-degree angle, right? Now we take some another example here by using this clock figure. So the minute hand move from 3 to 6, it's form 190-degree angle here, and when it's move again 6 to 9, and it's again form 90-degree angle. So the degree of an angle formed by this minute hand when it's move 3 to 9, it's form 180-degree angle, right? And you also add these two angle here, 90 plus 90 is equal to 180, right? Now here we take another example here. When this minute hand move from 9 to 3, what is the degree of an angle here formed by this minute hand? Yes, right, 180-degree. Yeah. So here we take some another example here which related to clock and different angles. Yes, now we think about when this minute hand from 12 and again reach its initial position 12 again here, so it means it's form complete angle here, and what is the degree of an angle, complete angle? 360 degree. So let's move complete 360 degree, right? So now here we take first case here, and here we write 12, 3, 6 and 9. So when minute hand move 12 to 3, right? When minute hand move 12 to 3, it's mean it's move 1/4 of a revolution, right? 1/4 of a revolution. Okay, now here we take next case here. Here we write 12, 3, 6 and 9, right? Now when minute hand moves 12 to 6, so it's form 180 degree angle here, and here we write 12 to 6 mean 1/2 of a revolution, 1/2 of a revolution, right? And we also say that half of a revolution. Now here we take next case here. When minute hand move from 12 to 9, so it's move 3/4 of a revolution, right? When it's move 12 to 9, it's move 3/4 of a revolution. Okay, now when it's move 12 to again 12, right? So it's move total 360 degree. So these are some examples related to clock, and we also see these all the angles when we watch time, right? And dear students, here we take some questions related to clock. And what is an angle? The minute hand or sometime hour hand makes some angle between initial position and its final position, right? Like here, this one is the initial position of this hand, and when it's moved to 3, it's the final position. So angle formed by these two position, between these two position, is 90 degree. And here we say that this 90 degree is a 1/4 of a revolution, right? Now 12 to 6, angle formed by initial position and final position is 180 degree, and we say that half of a revolution. 180 degree angle is half of a revolution. So it's the initial position of this minute hand, and it's a final position 9. So when it's moved 12 to 9, we say that it's a 3/4 of a revolution, right? So here we take some examples related to angles formed by a clock. Now here we take some question here. What is the angle name? What is the angle name for half of a revolution? For half of a revolution. Right. Now here we make figure also, right, related to this question. And what we do here, first we draw a figure of a clock here, right? Now 12, 3, 6 and 9. Now half of a revolution mean when this minute hand move from 12 to 6. Let's move this half of a revolution. So what is the measure of this angle here? Right, 180 degree. So here we say that straight angle and in bracket here we write 180 degree is the angle name for half of a revolution, right? A straight angle 180 degree is the angle name for half of a revolution. Now here we take another example here. Now the next question, what is the name and what is the angle name? What is the angle name for 1/4 revolution, right? Now here we again make a figure here of a clock, 12, 3, 6 and 9. So now here we make 1/4 here. Now start with 12 and move to 3. Now this part. So what degree angle it is? It is 90 degree angle. So here we write right angle 90 degree is the angle for 1/4 of revolution. Okay students, so now students, if you draw a figure of the clock and after that you solve the question by using the figure of a clock, it helps us to find the exact degree of an angle and how many angles formed by a clock. Now students, here we solve some questions related to angle and clock. Now the question is, what fraction of a clockwise revolution revolution does the hour hand of a clock turn through when it goes from now here we take first part of this question 3 to 9 and here we take second part 6 to 3, right? So here first we draw a figure of a clock here. Okay students, so now here we draw a figure of this clock. Now here we write 12, 3, 6 and 9 here. Now here the hand of a clock, the initial position is 3 and the final position is 9 here. Okay, so here we write what fraction of a clockwise revolution does the hour hand of a clock turn through the when it goes from 3 to 9. So it's a hour hand and it's move 3 to 9. The initial position is 3 and the final position is 9 here, and it's move 180 degree. And you all know that students, when hand of a clock move 180 degree, it means it's move half of a revolution. Here we write half of a revolution, right? Now we take the second example here. Now 6 to 3, so here we write 12, 3, 6 and 9. Okay, and let's move 6 to 3 from here to here. Now let's move, and what are the total number of 90-degree angle here? 1, 2 and 3. So here we write let's move 3 upon 4 of a revolution, right? So students, there are basically total number of right angles here 4 when it's moved 12 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9 and 9 to 12. So here there are total 4 parts here, 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? 1, 2, 3 and 4, total 4 right angles here. So here we take as a fraction 4 here, and what are the total number of 90-degree angle formed between 6 to 3? So here 1, 2 and 3, right? So students, what are the total number of 90-degree angle here? So 1, 2 and 3. So here we write 3 upon 4 of a revolution. Now we take some another example related to clock here. Now here we take next question here, and the question is find the number of right angles turned through by the hour hand of a clock when it goes from 3 to 6, right? And here we take the second one, 12 to 6. Okay, so now here first we draw a figure of a clock here. Now here we write 12, 3, 6 and 9 here. Now the hour hand move from 3 to 6. So what are the total number of 90-degree angle here? So there is only one right angle, right? There is only one right angle here. Now here we take second part of this question, and here we draw a figure of a clock here. Now 12, 3, 6 and 9. Now the hour hand move from 12 to 6. So how many 90-degree angle formed by the hour hand? So there are total 2 90-degree angle here. So here we write 2 right angles. Okay, here when the hour hand move from 12 to 6, it's formed total 2 right angles here. So by using this method, You also find the total number of right angles when the hour hand move from one position to another position. Now here I take another question here. Which direction will you face if you start facing east and make half of a revolution clockwise, right? So here we solve these type of question by using directions, right? So here first we draw directions here. Okay, so here east, west, north and south, and the question is east and make half of a revolution. So the position of a person is east side, right? It's facing east side, and when it's move half of a revolution clockwise. So how we move in clockwise direction? In this side, right? Okay, so here if it's move half revolution means from here to here. Okay, half revolution equal to 180 degree, so it's move 180 degree here from this point to this point, so it's move west side, right? So here we write west, right? Here we write west side. The face of a person is west side. The initial position is east side and the final position is west side here. Now we take another example here, right? South and make one full revolution, right? Now here we again draw directions here because it helps us to find the exact answer. So east, west, north, south, right? So the face of a person is the south side, right? And it's the initial position of a person. So when it's moved from this point to again this point, full revolution means 360 degree, right? So when it's moved from south to again 360 degree, so it's reach again this position and the face of the person is south side. So this direction chart help us to find the exact direction of a person. Here we solve another question here. Where will the hour hand of a clock stop if it starts? The A part of this question is from 6 and turns through 1 right angle. Okay, so now the question is where will the hour hand of a clock stop if it starts from 6 and turns through 1 right angle? So So here we write 12, 3, 6 and 9. Now we'll start with 6 and move through one right angle, mean from this point to this point, right, from 6 to 9, and it form only one right angle here. So here we write 9. Okay, so clock stop in 9. Now we take another example here, and the second part of this question, B part of this question, from 7 and turns through 2 straight angles. So now here first we draw a clock here, and here 12, 3, 6, 9. Now here we write the other numbers also and other hours also. And it moves from 7, okay, and start from 7 and throw 2 straight angles. Now students, you all know that what is the mean of 2 straight angle here? It means here it's moved from 7 to 1, right, and 1 to 7 again. It means 360 degree, total 360 degree, right. So here we write 7. It's reach again its their initial position, and the place is 7 here, right. So our hand of a clock is stop in 7, right. So dear student, I also give these type of questions in your worksheet, so you solve these questions by yourself.